Are you looking for a way to make money online? Well, if you've stumbled upon this video, then chances are that you are. Well, I know that you are because why would you click on this video if you weren't? Anyways, I have a new way for you to make money online in a snap. You can earn as much as $10 in just 2 minutes. Seem too good to be true? Well, it isn't. Stay with me until the very end of this video and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. You need to watch the whole video though because I share some important tips on how you can max out your earnings with this platform. If you don't listen up, then you could miss out big time. This platform can be accessed anywhere in the world, and it doesn't cost a dime to get started. So what are you waiting for? Watch this step-by-step tutorial and learn how you could be making hundreds of dollars in no time.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Now, the name of this platform that I'm going to be sharing with you today is called G2. To get started, you're going to want to open a browser and go to g2.com. This platform offers its users a very quick and easy way to make some extra money. Now, you may be wondering, how am I going to make money on here? Well, it's pretty simple. All you do is look through the categories of software that they have, pick some software, leave a rating, and then make money. It's not rocket science. The best part is that you can rate as many software programs as you want and earn as much money as you want. Now, you might be wondering, well, I've never used any of this software. How am I going to leave ratings? Do not fret, my friend. I have just the hack for you. So listen up until the very end of this video so that you can learn more. So to start writing reviews, you're going to want to scroll down and head over to this link right here. When you hit this link, it basically lets you leave a review for software and earn some cash. So when you go ahead and click this button right here, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. You should see a list of steps to follow to be able to leave a rating or review. And the first step in doing this is going to be to pick a software to rate because it'd be kind of hard to leave a review without doing that first. The next step is going to be to leave a review because that's what you came here to do. And lastly, you need to share your review because how are they going to know that you left a review if you don't share it? Once you do that, you can make this much money. Cool, right? Are you lost? Because I am. Anyways, I'm going to go kind of in depth and walk you through each step so that you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. What was the first step again? Oh yeah, pick a software. Now this part is easy peasy lemon squeezy. As you can see right here, there are tons of categories that you can choose from. So if you take a look, you should see marketing, design, sales, e-commerce, yada yada yada. Let's just say I want to review a software in the information technology category. So I would just click right here on sales. Just kidding. I would click IT, of course, right? Now you should see a page with a list of a lot of different programs that you can choose from. And once you pick one of these softwares, you can leave a review and then make some moolah. You can probably see that the list goes on, so you're never going to run out of options with this site. You can review as many programs as you want, and the earning opportunities are endless. So let's get back into the tutorial. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and choose to review Google Drive. I'm pretty sure that you know what Google Drive is, and if you don't, then what planet are you from? So to select the software, I'm just going to click on this right here. And now right here, it shows you that you've only picked one product so far. If you have more than that, then I don't know. Your laptop might be haunted. Anywho, you can choose more than one product if you want. So let's say that you use Dropbox too and wanted to leave a rating for that as well. So you're just going to click right here. Now you should see that you've picked 2 products. If you have more than that, then I don't know what to tell you, boo. You've got a ghost or something, dude. Anyways, on to the next step here. So as I mentioned earlier, now you're going to leave a review for all of the products that you've chosen. Let's say you wanted to go ahead and leave a review for Google Drive. You just click over here and start going through the rating process. Now to actually be able to make money for leaving a review, you're going to need to create an account with G2 first. As I mentioned, creating an account is 100% free. Once you've signed up for an account, you can start getting paid to leave reviews. Pretty cool, right? So to sign up for an account, you're just going to want to click on this right here. And if you have a LinkedIn account or a Google account that you want to pull your sign up info from, then you can just click on one of these right here. And if not, then you're going to give them your email address. Once you've done that, then you're going to verify your email address by clicking your inbox and clicking on the link that they send you. Still with me? Great. Now that's that out of the way, and then your account is verified, up and running, and you can start leaving reviews. As I said earlier, for my example, I'm going to be leaving a review for Google Drive. As you can see here, it's asking how likely you'd recommend this software on a scale from 0 to 10. 10 meaning that you'd be very likely to recommend Google Drive. Now I'm just going to leave my own rating for the software, and I actually love this program because it's really useful, and I totally recommend it to other people. So I'm going to just go ahead and give Google Drive high ratings because that's how I feel about this software. And now when you get to this part, you can actually type out how you feel about the program. But listen up, peeps, because I have a bonus tip.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
If you actually take a look right here, you can see just how many people have left a review for the Google Drive program. There are thousands of reviews from people across the globe for this one software. If you scroll down, then you'll find even more information about the software, and you should be able to see other ratings from other people. And if you read through them, then you can kind of get an idea of what you can say in your own review. I would say that if you're not super familiar with the program that you're rating, then read the reviews first. This will give you a good idea of what you can say in your own review. Just make sure that you don't copy and paste because that's cheating. So to be able to earn money, just go through and answer all of the questions so that you can leave a proper review. Just go over what you may like or dislike about the program, and in no time, you'll be done. Now, if I were to leave a review about Google Drive, I would probably go over how I love this program because it gives me a really simple and accessible way to share files. I don't need a USB or a hard drive just to store files that I want to keep. Plus, it's just an all-around good program to use to be able to store your files and access them without needing any hardware. Once you've gone through and answered everything, then you're just going to go ahead and click on this right here. Doing that will launch a shuttle into space. Just messing with you, doing that will submit your review. And once you've done that, you can look for other programs to rate and so on. Leaving a review is so easy and only takes a few minutes. You can make hundreds of dollars in no time using this method. Bonus tip, are you confused or don't quite understand G2 and need an easier way to be able to make money? Well, then I have just the platform for you. This platform is great for beginners because it's super user-friendly. It's called ClickyPay. So this website will actually pay you just with the click of a mouse. You can make money in as little as 30 seconds, and all it takes is a little clicky here and clicky there. Here a click, there a click, everywhere a click, and you could be rolling in cash, my friend. The more times you click, the more money you make. Simple as that. It might not seem like you make a ton of money for one click, but I swear that the money will eventually add up and you'll be making hundreds in no time. And if you don't want to take my word for it, then you can check this out right here and see that these numbers speak for themselves. Make an account with ClickyPay and start making some money now. That's all I have for today, folks. I really hope you learned something new from me.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.